Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make spring rolls. This is a really easy recipe and it'll take probably like 20 minutes to make max. So if you want to learn how to make spring rolls, please keep watching. For spring rolls, you can really use whatever you would like to put in it. But for today, I'm going to be using bell peppers, both orange, and then I have a yellow one, some tofu, which I'm gonna cook up, avocados, lettuce, and the rice paper that you roll these in. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do for this is I'm going to get my tofu and I'm going to strain it so that it can cook. So we're going to saute this. Just going to cut it open and just drain it all out. And then I like to put it in paper towels so that the liquid can be like drained out still, I guess. And then we're gonna do that for a little bit. And then you can also microwave the tofu for like 30 seconds to get all the liquids out. I'm actually going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I'm done microwaving the tofu so the water would get out, I'm going to cut up a couple pieces and I'm going to saute them so they're not raw because I'm not the biggest fan of uncooked tofu. So I'm only going to do like 2 of them and then I'm just going to put them in the pan, which is like right here, and I'm going to season them with some garlic salt, cayenne, and then a little bit of ground black pepper. Not the big side, just a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna let those cook. While we wait for the tofu to cook, I'm gonna cut up the vegetables. So I'm gonna cut up this bell pepper, which I pre-washed already. And then I'm gonna take out all the seeds and then just dice it. Alright, the bell peppers are ready. Now we're going to take our romaine lettuce, and you can use honestly whatever toppings or like fillings you want to put into the spring rolls, but this is just what I have. So I'm going to just separate some romaine leaves and then I'm going to wash them. Perfect. Alright, now that the tofu is cooked and my vegetables are cut, I grabbed a bowl of warm water, and the warm water is so you can dip the rice paper in and get soft. So we're just gonna quickly just dip it a little bit around. And then it seems like it doesn't get soft, but it takes a minute. You're gonna place the rice paper back down on your cutting board, and you're gonna put whatever toppings you would like, or fillings, sorry. So I'm going to put the bell peppers that I cut up, some lettuce, or actually I'll put the lettuce at the end. We're going to put some tofu, like that, avocado, and then I'm going to top it off with the piece of lettuce, and you want to make sure that it's not too long or else it's going to be longer than the rice paper and you won't be able to roll it. And the way I like to roll it is kind of like the burrito style, I guess. I like to roll the ends first and stick them down, and then the other end like that, and then you bring up the sides. And then I'm going to give you guys a closer look, of course.